Today, we're answering a big question. What's the absolute laziest way to make money online? If you've ever thought, I want to make money, but I don't want to work too hard, then this video is for you. But let's be real. Not all online income streams are created equal. Some take months to get going, while others can start generating cash almost instantly. So, today, I'll rank the best money-making methods for beginners based on 5 key factors and reveal the ultimate lazy income source at the end. And no, this isn't a list of earn $5 a day taking surveys nonsense. We're talking real, scalable income, 100 a day or more. The 5 key categories. Before we jump in, let's set the rules. We'll be ranking each method on these 5 factors. 1. Learning curve. How quickly you can start making money. 2. Fulfillment. How easy the process is. No headaches, no hassle. 3. Scalability. Can you make more money without doing more work? 4. Startup costs. Do you need money up front? 5. Risk level. How stressful is this? We're keeping it lazy. Stick around until the end, where I'll reveal the laziest method, one that can make you money in your sleep. Method 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is one of the most common ways to make money online, and for good reason. You can sell your skills, like writing, graphic design, video editing, or social media management, on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. Quick story. I know someone who started with zero experience, offering simple logo designs on Fiverr. Within 3 months, they were making over $1,500 a month. But here's the catch. It wasn't exactly lazy money. Freelancing scorecard, learning curve, medium. You need skills plus portfolio. Fulfillment, hard. Clients can be difficult. Scalability, low. Time equals money. Startup costs, very low, just a laptop. Risk level, low, but inconsistent income. Verdict, a solid option for quick money, but not the ultimate lazy method. Method 2. Airbnb arbitrage. Now, this one's a bit different. Instead of owning property, you rent apartments and then list them on Airbnb. The goal? Charge more per night than you pay per month. It's called Airbnb arbitrage, and some people are making $10,000 plus a month doing this. Imagine this. You lease an apartment for $1,500 a month, but you list it on Airbnb for $150 a night. If you book 20 nights, that's $3,000, meaning you just doubled your money. Sounds great, right? Airbnb arbitrage scorecard. Learning curve, medium, need to learn local laws plus property management. Fulfillment, medium, managing guests plus cleaning services. Scalability, high, more properties, more income. Startup costs, high, $5,000 to $15,000 for deposits and furnishings. Risk level, high, upfront costs plus potential vacancies. Verdict, great passive income potential, but it takes initial effort and capital, so not quite lazy enough. Method 3. eBay flipping. This one is all about buying low and selling high. You can find discounted or used products at thrift stores, garage sales, or clearance racks, and resell them on eBay for a profit. It's a side hustle that can turn into a full-time gig. Example, a guy I know bought an old iPod for $20 at a yard sale and flipped it for $150 on eBay. That's a 7x return. Pretty crazy, right? eBay flipping scorecard. Learning curve. Super easy. Takes a day to learn. Fulfillment. Medium. Packing and shipping takes time. Scalability. Very high. More listings equals more sales. Startup costs. Low. Approximately $500 for initial stock. Risk level. Medium. Inventory can be unpredictable. Verdict. A great way to make money, but it's still active work, so not the laziest. Method 4. Affiliate marketing now. We're getting into the real lazy methods. With affiliate marketing, you promote other people's products using special links. When someone clicks and buys, you get a commission. You don't handle inventory, customer service, or shipping. For example, let's say you make a YouTube video about the best gaming laptops of 2024. You include Amazon affiliate links in the description, and every time someone buys through your link, you get paid. That's 100% passive income. Affiliate marketing scorecard. Learning curve, super low. Sign up, share links, make money. Fulfillment. Easiest. No product handling. Scalability. Extremely high. One viral video can make thousands of dollars. Startup costs. None. You just need a blog, YouTube, or social media. Risk level. Very low. No investment required. Verdict. Now this is getting close to our laziest method. The laziest way to make money online is, and the winner is, affiliate marketing. It has the lowest learning curve, requires zero upfront investment, and scales passively. It's the only method where you can literally make money while sleeping. However, it's not instant. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on our best money-making tips and remote job opportunities.